We're making keto Madeleines. Aren't they so cute? Let's go. I'm so impressed with these keto Madeleines. They look so professional and they're so easy to make. I basically used my sponge cake recipe and divided it by a third, coated in chocolate and then topped it off with a few chopped nuts. The nutritional information is listed in the description box as well as 2 sets of measurements. Let's get into the recipe now. Add a half cup of almond flour to a bowl, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sweetener, a quarter cup of cream, 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of water, a pinch of salt, and lastly 1 egg. Whisk that all together, then using a Madeleine mold, add 1.5 tablespoons of the batter into each mold. My little pan is by Chef Made and it's available in my Amazon store. The link is in the description box. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for about 10 minutes. And while they're baking, I'm just making a little chocolate sauce. I broke up 40 grams of 95% chocolate, added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of sweetener. Microwave for about a minute, stirring halfway, and do remember to give it a taste to see if you need more sweetener. Mix together and the sauce is ready. Here are the beautiful keto Madeleines. Who would have thought? I just dipped the tail end of each Madeleine in the chocolate sauce, placed on a cooling rack and sprinkled with some chopped walnuts and pistachios.
Mr. Mel up in the house, y'all. Don't worry, I'm not gonna start rapping again. I just wanna say, I think that these look like they came out of a bakery. And for those of you who are worried after the last video, I actually got my own plate of 5 this time without having to steal anything. I hope you get to make it. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.